Only in the recent times, OpenAI announced SORA and amazed the community with an amazing text-to-video that generates realistic, coherent, and consistent videos. Unsurprisingly, other companies are following their footsteps, and we already have a company called Haiper that released a free-to-use text-to-video that actually generates quite good results. Although it's a bit limited because it is a beta, let's go over and take a look how good it really is. So without wasting any time, let's go into their website, and of course the link is in the description. So the site is haiper.ai, and already on the first page you can see some examples of the generated video, which looks very high quality. The details very coherent, very consistent. It looks very nice, and you can scroll down and it tells you a bit about the features that the company provides. And let's just click start creating, and let's start creating. So once you click on the create button, you will be taken to the login screen. You can either sign in with a Discord or a Google, and upon signing in you can already see the community's generations. There is a limit currently of 2 seconds for creating a video, but they do say they are working on extending the video to a more lengthy one. But looking at the community's examples, you can see that the videos look very promising. The details are very nice. You can actually click on a video and see it in a more detailed way. You can see that it's very consistent. The colors are great. And instead of looking over on what the community did, we are just going to create our own. So you have several ways creating your video. The first way is to create a text to video, meaning that you will have this prompt area here. You just type in what you want. We can do an animation for an existing image, which is very awesome. You can repaint your video, which is similar to taking an existing video and changing its style and things like that, similar to image, but with a video. And you can extend your video, which is coming soon. It's not working yet, and I really think that once they will open up this feature, it will be much more relevant and much more successful, because you will be able to generate videos that are longer than 2 seconds. Let's start with the obvious. Let's go with create video with text, and once we choose it, we can simply put the prompt down, and let's choose something interesting. A storm running wild inside an empty bottle. Let's see, we can choose predefined tags. Let's do it photorealistic and cinematic. You can either choose to make it a public or a private. I can tell you that it allows NSFW images only if you go to private. You can also see it in their frequently asked questions. And here on the settings, currently there are not much. You can simply put in a seed if you want to repeat the same animation. And you can choose the duration. Currently it's limited to 2 seconds, so there's not much to choose. Without wasting any time, let's click create. And once you click create, it will take you to the generation page. It takes a few minutes, but in the meantime, you can actually generate another video. So let's give it another prompt. So this time we're going to go to the SORA page, and let's copy a prompt from there and see how it deals. Let's take something like this. So we'll take the exact same prompt and we'll just paste it here, and let's see what it gives us. Click create. And you can see we have 2 videos in the making. In the meantime, while it's generating the images, let's do a test with the image to video. And in order to do that, we simply have to click here, this small icon here, and we click it, and it takes us back to the selection of what type of generation we want to make. We'll click on animate your image, and we'll click here to upload the image. It only accepts PNG and JPEG as far as I've seen. I tried other formats like JPEG and GIF, and it didn't accept them. So we're going to select this image that I created in previous video. We'll give it a second to upload the image, and now I'm going to click create without any additional information, and we'll see what it's going to do with it, that it completed what we wanted in the first place. So let's see the first video. It's going to be very short, only 2 seconds. But already it seems like a very nice quality. Yeah, it's getting there. So you can't see much because it's only 2 seconds, but you can clearly see something like a rainstorm and some lightning inside the bottle. It looks very nice. The animation is very vivid. And I think overall he did a good job for something free. And let's look at the mammoth. And the same here. So you can see that it really didn't create any walking animation. Again, it seems quite nice. I wouldn't say that it gets anywhere near what we have here. This is on another level. I really can't wait to put my hands on SORA. And we're back. In the meantime, it completed this image video. Let's see how it went. And you can see it actually made the unicorn creature dance in a rave party. So not what we expected, but all in all, it keeps the image coherent. It tries to maintain the shape of the creature, and there is a little movement in his leg, but nevertheless, nice results. So as you can see, although it's on the right direction, it's not there yet. Let's see about the results that SORA will provide us. And I guess that the near future is going to be exciting when it comes to text to video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye.